everyone! Good morning! And it's like, what the hell? Who's here? We are continuing our journey into WA. We are still in the Kimberley region, surrounded by beautiful mountains, just of weird shapes and sizes. I didn't realize we had this kind of mountains here in Australia. The area is still pretty green after the wet season ended, but you can see that it's starting to dry up a bit. And what's scary is that there are flood markers on the side of the road up to 2 meters. So even though it looks completely flat down here on the road, and you wouldn't think that it ever rains here, it does flood really high and really badly around here. The Kimberley region is a huge area in Australia. It's 423,000 square kilometers, and there are 34,000 approximately people. So here you have to pay at the fuel terminal first, over there, and then you come back and fill up. And it's
$2.90 a litre.
oh, ouch! These days, $1.90 is what we've been paying for, and we're paying $2.90 this time. So we're not going to fill up, just enough to feel comfortable that we can make it to the next town.
Oh, hi there. Just doing 30 kilometers an hour on a 110 kilometer road. There's that road train. And here's the fence. It's full of concrete and the road is quite steep here. So.
What's really scary with these road trains is how much the trailers swing around. Thankfully, we made it alive to our next destination. What a beautiful spot to spend the day and the night. It's so pretty. Look at the beautiful reflections in the water. It's almost perfect. Bob Ross would be just so excited. It's like looking at a landscape in reverse. Wow, what a beautiful and peaceful spot. It's just gorgeous. So lucky to be able to just sit here by the river and enjoy, be at one with nature. Wow, we just pulled over to the side of the road because we saw this amazing sight. Check this out. Oops, the area is so vast that we lost track of the drone and had to do an automatic recall to bring it back. Phew, although we had lost the drone for a few minutes, we couldn't find it, but thankfully it's back.
Here it comes.
Come back to us, Dean. Yes, we did name him Dean. We arrived at the Fitzroy River Bridge, which collapsed due to major flooding in December 22 and January 23. The collapse has disrupted freight and supply chains, but also split the town in two and affected many Aborigine families. The old bridge is now getting demolished and will be rebuilt 6 times stronger, hopefully in 2024. We got redirected to another river crossing, which is obviously temporary for now, which made Google Maps go completely berserk on our screen. We can still see some of the damage 4 months later and how much destruction Mother Nature can cause. Thankfully, we crossed without a hitch, so we'll see you on the other side.